Hello and welcome back to Robotics with Om sir. In today's video, we will see how to cast your mobile screen to your laptop so that you can watch any content from your mobile phone to your laptop. So let's get started. To do this, first click on Start menu, search for Feature, and here we have to click on Optional Features. So it's a feature that we have to add optionally. Now click on View Features. Here we will search for one new feature called wireless display. Then click and check this box wireless display. Click on next. Then click on add. Now it will start downloading and adding that feature in your laptop. Now here you can see the feature is added. Now let's test this feature. Minimize this and in start you can search for wireless display. Just open this. Now my PC name is election, so it is showing election. Now what you have to do, I'll show you my mobile screen. So this is my mobile screen. Now let's see how to cast from here. So to cast, just go to Smart View and then you will find one cast option in your mobile. So choose the name of your PC and start cast. Now I'll disconnect this. So this is my mobile screen. Now I can watch any show from my mobile. So here you can see it's not lagging, it's working well. So it is depend on your Wi-Fi connection, how your Wi-Fi is working. And if you are not find cast button, you can search for cast in your setting option and close it. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are facing any query, you can let me know in the comment section.